Mingleba, hello everybody. Good to speak to you again, and although we're not face to face, we're still colleagues, we can still communicate, and glad to have you there. Sawadee Cup, I'm in Phuket at the moment, and self-isolating, social distancing. So it's me and my computer here, and let's get started. So what I want to do today is to take you through a test course looking at how you convert our classroom courses into online format. What I've done, I've taken one of Lawrence's courses, Food Safety and Hygiene, HC 105, and I've looked at his existing course content as a taught course, and I've looked at how we can adapt it for online teaching. The left-hand white columns are from the original taught course, and on the right-hand side, in the pink, is the adapted course suitable for online teaching. And what I've done, I've included different methods, such as live video from myself like this, which I called Introduction from the Tutor, video links that we can include and embed to illustrate different practical techniques in the course, online quizzes, pre-tests and self-assessment, formative assessment, also other visuals and things that we can include to illustrate and make this more interesting for students online. So what I've done, I've taken the first day of his teaching program, 3 hours, and I've also included group work, which is Google Hangouts or Google Meet, where you can, if the students have the bandwidth and the ability, they can then sit in groups and they can discuss together and they can communicate back to the main class their group findings. If they don't have sufficient bandwidth, I'm suggesting they then summarize together, they discuss together also online or by chat, in Messenger or whatever format they like to use, in Hangouts preferably, and then they can summarize the feedback and send it back to the group, and that'll be part of the group assessment. I've also included some checklists and other things here to support the learning. This will be done in Google Forms, and then I've also included a final assessment, which is an assignment for that session, so they can have feedback and maybe to make the assessment spread over the whole course rather than at the end. You can have a summative assessment during the course, so you could have both self-assessment for formative purposes. At the end of each session or the end of each 2 sessions, you could include some sort of summative assessment. Now what I'll do now, I'll take you through the course, and I'll introduce each of the features, and I'll show you how I've used the PowerPoint slides to illustrate each of the components of the course.